If you think every 2026 Audi Q3 Sportback has to wear the aggressive S-line badge to look exciting, think again. The new Audi Q3 Sportback proves that clean styling, premium quality, and smart technology can make just as strong an impression. Let's take a closer look at what could be one of the most balanced luxury compact SUVs coming to market. Welcome back to Future Drive, your destination for the latest upcoming cars. Today we're exploring the all-new 2026 Audi Q3 Sportback in its standard trim, showing why this sleek crossover could be the perfect choice for buyers who want luxury without paying extra for sporty appearance packages from the outside. The new Q3 Sportback features a bold single-frame grille, slimmer LED headlights, sculpted body lines, and a smooth coupe-inspired roofline. Without the S-line package, the design looks cleaner and more elegant while still maintaining Audi's premium road presence. New alloy wheel designs and updated lighting signatures give it a modern, upscale look. Inside, Audi delivers a high-quality cabin with soft-touch materials, improved seating comfort, and a driver-focused dashboard. A large digital instrument cluster joins a responsive touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice controls, and multiple USB-C ports. The cabin remains practical, with comfortable rear seating and useful cargo space for everyday family use. Power is expected to come from a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 201 horsepower. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive is expected on many models, delivering confident handling in all-weather conditions while maintaining a smooth, comfortable ride. Fuel economy should reach approximately 28 to 32 miles per gallon combined, making the Q3 Sportback efficient enough for daily commuting and weekend road trips. Safety remains a major strength with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and available 360-degree cameras. Audi has improved long-term reliability in recent years, although maintenance and repairs will typically cost more than mainstream brands. Following the recommended service schedule, on the downside, rear headroom is slightly reduced because of the sloping roofline, and pricing may be higher than rivals like the BMW X2, Mercedes-Benz GLA Coupe, and Volvo XC40. For buyers looking for a luxury compact SUV that blends everyday comfort with premium quality and sporty styling, the 2026 Audi Q3 Sportback deserves a place on your SHORT list. What do you think of the new Audi Q3 Sportback? Would you choose it over its rivals? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Future Drive, bringing you tomorrow's cars today.